Hi, this is T-Rex Gamer, and today we're gonna do a meet my dog video. So this is my dog, Pepper. Say hi. Yeah, she's a good dog. So her breed, she's a purebred black lab. She's a really good girl, and she likes a lot of attention. And they're hunting dogs. And she likes meeting new people. So yeah, I've had her since she was a little tiny puppy. Look how cute she is. She's a little bit dirty though because she's an outside dog. I might be doing a couple of videos with her. And in the comments, if you think she's cute, say that in the comments. And then if you want to, you can say the type of dog you have, if you have a dog or pet. So today we're going to be playing fetch with her for a little bit. Come here, Pepper. Oh, and she also loves eating fruit and peanut butter. And note to you guys, dogs need a lot of room to play in because they're animals, and animals need a lot of room. And the cool thing about her is she loves music. She loves listening to music. And then in the comments, if you want me to do a video of me feeding her so you can see how she eats and stuff, just say in the comment area. So yeah, we're gonna be playing fetch with her with this ball. Pepper. Do you like my phone, Pepper? Come here. So yeah, she's a girl. And she loves running and stuff, as you can tell. And maybe after I get a whole bunch more Pokemon, I might do some Pokemon card giveaways. Tell me if you would like that. And so yeah. And then if you want to, you can send your old Pokemon cards that you don't want anymore to me, or you can send me fan art to my address, which I will might send it to you. Just ask me on my email and I'll probably tell you on my email. Or it might be in the link below in a couple days. But yeah, you need to ask your parents first. Or yeah, just make sure you want to do it. See if you're watching this and you're a kid, just make sure your parents are okay with it and stuff. Because I don't want your parents to be mad at you. And if you want to, you could probably send, if you want to give her toys or something, you could probably send toys to us. Because she loves playing with her toys. She also has this thing she loves playing with, tug of war with. Pepper. She's a strong dog. Pepper. Pepper. Go get it. She usually wants to play first one to get it wins. Stuff like that. Yeah, she tug of war. But yeah. So yeah, I will take fan stuff if you want to send them with your parents or guardians' permission. And if you guys want to get a dog like her, like I said, she's a purebred black lab. Just to tell you, they need a lot of attention. So if you can't be out with them a lot, then I would suggest not to get this dog. And when they're puppies, they can be a little bit cuddly, but when they're older, they get a little bit more energetic. So you have to take them on walks a lot. And yeah, they also like their belly rubs. And they might nip you though. Oh, and they like cheating, especially in tug of war. Isn't she cute? Yeah. No, don't eat my phone. But yeah, I would probably gonna do my dog videos every once in a while. And maybe later on, I'll show you my whole collection of Pokemon cards. So hit the bell button if you want to see when my newest videos are coming out. And then, if you haven't liked or subscribe. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, that's it for T-Rex Gamer and my dog, Pepper. Okay, see ya.